Welcome to Quick Start Guide. Check your accessory list. Let's learn about the printer. Press the two open cover buttons at the same time to open the cover. Remove the protective paper, take out the paper roll. Tear off the label. Install the paper roll back into the paper compartment. Pull the paper out, close the printer's cover. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the printer. When the indicator light green, the printer is ready for printing. If the printer is out of battery, please charge it.